I made a song that sounds like God punishing sinners, and it's absolute insanity. But let's rewind a bit. This is how it all started. We're gonna be using Sound Design Mission today. Instantly add drums. The laziness is awesome. I think I'm gonna use Vital for the bass, just like a sub bass. The stab. That's cool. Jesus Christ. What is happening, bro? Am I dying? Hope so. Save it. Ass is taken already. Balls. Ooh, how about we blend it really quickly? Juicy. Nice fade. On the second channel, we have sound design sessions that we make sounds on. So just pull up Serum, which is a sound that we made on the second channel. If I'm not tripping, we can do this. May be pretty cool. Pull this on this guy and go like warp. Oh, okay. Switch something in here. This maybe. Yeah, that's kind of fire, not gonna lie. That sounds insane. Okay, then it's gonna repeat. How about that? This always slaps. Silence. What the hell? What the fuck?
Spin it, bitch.
Spin it, bitch always slaps too.
Spin it, bitch.
Okay, so what I want to do here... What? Bro.
Spin it, bitch.
So that should be eliminated. That should be moved here. Put a growl here.
Spin it, bitch. Spin it, bitch.
Oh! Oh, what the fuck?
Spin it, bitch.
Bro, am I tripping? Or should we add this? And I made an effect right yesterday while making another video. It's insane. Okay, that's a cool kick, but I need a different one. And why am I having deja vu right now, huh? Did I do this already? VR drums? Get the crash. Put that here. Take that as
Silence. Silence.
That is absolutely insane. There's sword then.
Silence.
That is absolutely insane. Reversed. Take this. Oh, hey, maybe not spin it, bitch. Not spinach.
Nobody alive has been good enough to beat me.
Do this maybe? Yeah, keep it simple here. Grounds. Okay, let me check if it's actually recording, because if it's not, then I'm jumping off the bridge. I'm not even joking. It is. Kind of repeat that, but like with a different switches here. Always speed up. This time. Triplets here, maybe? What if we do something crazy like this? Okay, since we have this now, what we can do is literally duplicate it and mute this for now. Switch the preset. That's cool. We can make like different presets for different sections here. Pretty cool. Bro, what the hell? Okay, I'm gonna take the drums that I made today. Okay, that slaps insanely. I basically have the whole section, the whole thing out of what I made the day before. What? I didn't want to close it. Let's listen to the whole thing. I know it's really dirty, but I'm gonna keep it like that because the focus was on developing a main theme, which it totally is there, and it slaps, that's what matters. That's the main thing, you know? You can make it as messy as you want. If the main theme is there, that's all that matters, and then you can obviously just mix it. So,
Nobody alive has been good enough to beat me yet. Nobody alive has been good enough to beat me yet. Nobody alive has been good enough to beat me yet.
hell yeah, W song. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. See you soon. This song was made possible thanks to the Sound Design Mission's collection of sounds, which makes producing music much easier with its unique, high quality, and immersive sounds. These powerful samples instantly spark creativity and generate ideas during the production process. That's how I was able to create this track in under 2 hours. If you want to speed up the production process, make better songs, and have your creativity flowing like never before, grab the pack now with the code GODMODE20 for 20% off, exclusive only to this video. Link in the description.